Okay, so I saw this video by Chloe Rose Art, and basically she was testing Etsy's most expensive art supply. And all right, here I have it on mute, but here it is. She's going to show it to you in 1 second. This one. Oh yeah. So let's hold on. Ooh. Okay, here it is. $630, and that's for the good one. That's for the big one because it's on sale for like $300 for the smaller one. And so, I don't know what happened there. Sorry about that. That's me. But she shows it. I want to come on, get to it. Get to it. Here. So it has this little drawer, right? And that's all watercolor paints, and she's got to open them all up. And it comes in this like really cool little box, right? So hold on. Let me pause that. I came up with a really good idea. Okay, see this little drawer? So, I have all my oil pastels and pastels in here. Like that's all that's in here. Boom, boom, boom. So guess what I did? I bought another one, a 4-drawer one. This one that I had was 6 drawers. So I bought a 4-drawer one. And I am going to fill up all of my watercolors that I have and put it in the drawers. I'm going to separate them all out. I've been taking them out already. As you can see, I'm in the middle of taking these out of this one. And I got all these to take out, and I already emptied those. And there's some more. But like the koi, they don't come out, nor does the Mia one. So these watercolors don't come out of the set. So I only got all these. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them. I'm going to put them in the drawer. So I'm not done, as you can see, because I think I might have glued these in. Some of them have because I put magnets in them. But I think a couple of them I didn't have magnets for, so I think I glued them, so I'm going to have to pull them up. But anyway, so here's my idea. Look, see on the TV, she's got it already pulled out, and she's testing them all. But see how they're in like this drawer, right? And they're all handmade stuff too. So that's basically what I'm going to do. Now I don't have like 300 of them yet, but I will. And see, I put them in here. Look at that. Nice and neat. What a great idea on how to organize your watercolors. And you know what? I'm going to go back and I'm going to organize all the colors in this. Put all the greens or whatever. I don't know exactly how I'm going to organize it, but I just think what a great idea, right? So I got 4 drawers of these that I could fill. And again, I'm not done yet, but what a good idea, right? Okay, so that's my genius idea on how to organize watercolor paints from finding a really cool idea on another person's YouTube channel. Bye-bye.